Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your canvas size on the Pixlr application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pixlr Suite photo editor application, or you can continue forward with your web browser. After logging in using your email address and your password, go ahead and click on Pixlr Express to open up the photo editor. Now you can upload your image by clicking on Open Image, or you can click on AI Image Generator in order to create a new image using AI. After choosing your image, you will enter within the editor menu. From here, click on Crop at the top section, and now within the Resize section, you will see the canvas size option. Go ahead and click on this, and you will now be able to choose your canvas size. You can choose to increase or decrease by entering your desired width and height. And finally, once you click on the Apply button, it will expand your canvas right away. You can then apply these changes and use an AI tool in order to expand your image. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the size of your canvas on the Pixlr Suite photo editor. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.